Arduino and MATLAB codes for all the figures shown in the published article titled Autonomous First Response Drone-Based Auto-FRD Smart Rescue System for Critical Situation Management in Future Wireless Networks. Numerous problems have been experienced due to the current exponential rise in urban population. Such challenges include insecurity and disaster management. It is therefore critical that new and efficient ways of disaster management are realized. Drone technology has been used in many applications due to their flexibility and cost-effectiveness in executing tasks. Such applications include goods delivery, data collection, surveillance, and tracking. This paper proposes an autonomous first response drone-based Auto-FRD smart rescue system. Auto-FRD paradigm uses drones to provide quick responses to critical situations in a smart city setting. The system comprises three main sections: sensor network, intelligent drones, and the command center. The Auto-FRD system is designed such that the drones automatically deploy to a specific location upon receiving an alert signal from the smart sensors, as opposed to people sending the signal. Moreover, the system is implemented using cheap LoRa technology. Experimental results show that the proposed system drastically reduces the response time compared to conventional critical situation response systems. Additionally, the data collected by the drones prove to be extra valuable when analyzing the critical situation.